Hi everyone, in this video, we will show you how to connect a universal stylus pen to the Xiaomi Pad 765. First, make sure your stylus pen is fully charged before using it with your Xiaomi Pad. This stylus does not require Bluetooth pairing or any additional app installation. To get started, simply press the power button on the stylus to turn it on. Once the indicator light turns on, unlock your Xiaomi Pad and open any app where you want to write, draw, or take notes. Now gently touch the screen with the stylus tip. The pen should start working immediately without any setup process. You can use it for note-taking, drawing, signing documents, editing photos, browsing the web, or navigating through apps. The stylus features a 1.5mm fine tip, which helps provide more precise writing and smoother control on the screen. If the stylus does not respond, make sure it is charged and that your Xiaomi Pad screen is clean and responsive to touch input. Since this is a universal active stylus, it works as a touchscreen input device rather than using device-specific Bluetooth features. You can freely switch between compatible Android phones, tablets, and other supported touchscreen devices without reconnecting or repairing the pen. When you're finished using it, leave the stylus idle, and it will automatically enter sleep mode after a few minutes to help save battery life. That's all you need to do to use a universal stylus pen with your Xiaomi Pad. If this video helped you out, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.